I welcome you all once again in today's lecture. A very hearty good morning to all of you dear students. Now children, in yesterday's video, I was discussing about the number species details which prevails in India, about the plant species, the flowering plants, the animal species, the bird species, the fish species. Then I told you about the virgin vegetation. What do you mean by virgin vegetation? And the factors which are responsible for the huge diversity of the flora and fauna kingdom. In that I explained you what do you mean by flora and what do you mean by fauna. So in this, the factors I told you about the land, the soil, which plays an important role. After that, the climate also, it plays a vital role in the climate of that in the natural vegetation of that area. Then in climate I told you about the precipitation, the temperature, and after that lastly I told you why the forests are important for the human beings. After that, now today children, I'm going to tell you about the ecosystem. Before starting with this subtopic, I'm going to give you some assignment to find out the state which have maximum area under the forest cover. Okay, so you have to find out the state which has maximum cover area under forest, and the second you have to find out the name the union territory having minimum area under forest cover, and the reason also why that union territory is having minimum area under forest cover. So I would like to tell you one thing more, some important thing, that according to the Indian State of Forest Report of 2011, the forest cover in India is 21.05%. The total area which is under the forest cover is 21.05%. So now let me begin with the today's topic. Children, you know that all plants and animals are interdependent with each other, and they are also interrelated to each other in the physical environment. Why? Because you know that plants, it occurs in a distinct groups of communities in areas which have similar climatic conditions. Okay, जहाँ का जैसा एक climate होगा वहाँ पे वैसे ही तुमको plants मिलेंगे, and the nature of plants which are found in that area, it also determines the animal life in that area. So when vegetation is altered, जब वहाँ का natural vegetation alter होगा तो but natural वहाँ की animal life भी change होती है. So in this way we can say that plants and animals in a given area, they are interlinked and interdependent on each other as well as the physical environment. In this way they form an ecosystem. So in this ecosystem, human beings also plays an important role. Human beings are also an integral part of this ecosystem. Now, how do these human beings influence the ecology of a region? How? Because firstly they utilize the vegetation and the wildlife also in that area. Okay, the vegetation and wildlife of that area, and the greed of human beings. Now what's happening these days? Now the people are spreading their due to urbanization and due to cultivation and all, this is the greed of the people which is leading to the overutilization of these resources. And what they are doing, they are cutting the trees and they are killing the animals, due to which the ecological imbalance has been created. So as a result, some of the plants and animals, they have reached the verge of extinction. Verge of extinction means they are on the edge of being extinct now. So you know there are very large ecosystem on land. They have distinct types of vegetations and animal life. It is called as biome. So biomes are identified on the basis of plants. ठीक है, अब biome क्या होता है? Which have distinct types of vegetation and animal life. Area जहाँ पे अलग तरीके का vegetation होता है, उसी के हिसाब से animal life होती है, उसको हम biome कहते हैं. So biomes, they are identified on the basis of the plants, vegetations and animals which exist in that area. Now I'm going to tell you about the types of vegetation in my next lecture. So go through the ecosystem. This is very important part of this chapter. So what is the ecosystem? How the human beings are integral part of the ecosystem, and due to the greed of the human beings, why the animals and the plants and life are on the verge of extinction.